Great. Today we have someone who's been shaking things up in the world of business, branding, and AI. A creative mind who's helping young entrepreneurs in Kenya turn small ideas into real income. He's the founder of Cenvotex B&M Solutions and the brain behind some of the most talked about AI business tips, tricks, and side hustles in Kenya. Please put your hands together and help me welcome Victor from Cenvotex. Thank you. Welcome to Cenvotex Expo. Hi, how are you doing this afternoon?
Every morning, thousands of Kenyans wake up, go to work, and still end the month broke. Yet, a small group of people are quietly making more money from their side hustles. Forget those overused hustles you've seen 1,000 times. This is not selling clothes on TikTok, online writing, or betting. These are 13 wild side hustles in Kenya that quietly make people more money than their 9-to-5 jobs. And you've probably never even heard of half of them. Let me show you exactly how. 1. Micro-urban farming on balconies, rooftops, supply fresh greens to cafes. In Nairobi apartments or rooftop spaces, you can grow herbs, lettuce, kales, microgreens using minimal space. Supply cafes and restaurants. Beginners spend 5,000 to 10,000 Kenyan shillings to start and can earn 15,000 to 40,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Earnings estimate 15,000 to 40,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip: pick shade partial site, learn basic hydroponics, sign contracts with 2 to 3 cafes. 2. Lease out parking spaces, driveways in busy Nairobi estates. In high density estates, parking is gold. List your space for 10,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Use platforms like parking apps. Jumuika.co.ke. Earnings estimate 10,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip: photograph space, list online, auto renew agreements. 3. Curate and sell local experience packages for international visitors, food tours, culture walks. Tourists want unique Kenyan experiences. Food walks in Nairobi alleys, cultural village visits near Kiambu. You curate the experience, book logistics, charge 10,000 Kenyan shillings per person. With just 5 clients a month, you earn 50,000 Kenyan shillings plus. Earnings estimate 50,000 to 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month in peak seasons. Setup tip: partner with homestays, local guides. Build an Instagram profile. 4. Rent out. Idle land, about walls for mobile advertising, billboards, branded vans. Have a vacant wall or driveway. Lease it out for billboard or mobile van branding. In Nairobi estates, monthly lease rates run Kenyan shillings 20,000 to 50,000 plus, depending on visibility. Earnings estimate 20,000 to 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip: photograph the location, measure traffic, list on outdoor media platforms. 5. Short form video editing agency. With TikTok and YouTube shorts booming, local creators and small brands need video editors badly. Offer editing packages. Edit 10 shorts a month for 15,000 Kenyan shillings. With 3 clients, you're at 45,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Earnings estimate 30,000 to 60,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip: master CapCut or Premiere Pro. Build portfolio, promote to local influencers. 6. Day off. Concierge services for busy professionals. Errands, admin. Corporate executives in Nairobi pay someone to handle errands, pickups, bookings, minor admin. You charge 2,000 to 5,000 Kenyan shillings per day. If you work 10 days a month, you make 20,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings plus. Earnings estimate 20,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip: use WhatsApp. Set service list. Target estate WhatsApp groups. 7. Manage quiet locations for remote workers. Provide workspace day rent in underused rooms. With remote work rising, rent day use rooms in your home or estate compound for 1,000 to 1,500 Kenyan shillings per day. If you host 20 days per month, you make 20,000 to 30,000 Kenyan shillings. Earnings estimate 20,000 to 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip. Offer Wi-Fi, quiet, plug points, advertise on co-working Facebook groups. 8. Create and license localized voice, shot sound packs, Kenyan accents, for games, drawn apps. Develop voice packs and sound effects with Kenyan accents for game devs and apps. License worldwide. You produce once, sell repeatedly. Early projects can earn 50,000 Kenyan shillings plus per pack. Earnings estimate 50,000 Kenyan shillings plus per product. Passive income thereafter. Setup tip. Use decent mic, record accents, list on marketplace, e.g. Envato. Promote on Kenyan dev forums. 9. Drone property photo services for real estate agents. Agents in Nairobi pay 10,000 to 30,000 Kenyan shillings plus for drone aerial and interior shoots. Do 5 shoots a month and you're making 50,000 Kenyan shillings plus. Earnings estimate 30,000 to 60,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip. Get KCAA license. Build small portfolio. Reach out to estate agents. 10. Refurbish and flip premium secondhand gadgets for expats. iPhones, MacBooks. Expats in Kenya want premium used gadgets. Buy secondhand iPhones at 40,000 Kenyan shillings. Refine and sell for 65,000 Kenyan shillings. Margin, 25,000 Kenyan shillings per unit. Sell 1 a week, you make 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Earnings estimate 50,000 to 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip, source gadgets from local auctions. Refurbish, list on expat groups. 11. Car or bike flipping. Buy a used car or motorbike in Nairobi, fix it up, and resell it for profit. For example, pick a bike at 70,000 Kenyan shillings, spend 10,000 Kenyan shillings on minor repairs, sell for 110,000 Kenyan shillings. You've just made 30,000 Kenyan shillings in one transaction. Do 2 per month, and you easily beat a full-time job. Earnings estimate 20,000 to 50,000 plus Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip. Know the market, have a mechanic contact, and list on trusted platforms. 12. Build automated content systems, AI voice, posts for small Kenyan SMEs. Many small and medium enterprises lack content strategy. You build an AI-driven content engine, post scheduling, voiceovers, graphics. Charge 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month per client. With 2 clients, you hit 60,000 Kenyan shillings. Earnings estimate 30,000 to 60,000 Kenyan shillings per month per client. Setup tip, package, monthly content engine, build sample deck, target local cafes and boutiques. 13. Sell micro web apps or niche automation tools built with no code for Kenyan markets. You don't need to code. Build simple web apps. Appointment scheduler for salons. Inventory tracker. Sell at 50,000 to 150,000 Kenyan shillings per app license. With 1 sale per month, you're at job-beating income. Earnings estimate 50,000 to 150,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Setup tip. Learn no-code tools. Bubble, Adalo. Identify niche. Sell via LinkedIn, Kenya. Now you've got 15 side hustles, some you'd never heard of, and all can pay more than a standard job in Kenya if you execute. Pick one. Start this week. Not every side hustle will make you rich instantly, but if you pick one, focus on it for 3 to 6 months, you'll easily out-earn most 9 to 5 salaries in Kenya. Tell me which one you'll go for, and I'll send you a free starter checklist. We're building a smart Kenyan community that's moving different.